Welcome and congratulations on taking the first step to learning this magnificent program and increasing your productivity by 10,000%. Now, before we get started, let me introduce myself and the role Microsoft Excel has played in my life and continues to play in my life. My name is Jed Guinto, and I've been using Microsoft Excel for over 15 years. It's helped me throughout high school, through university, and in every single job I've had since, except that fish and chip shop. That it didn't help me at all there. Now, it's opened up so many opportunities for me, and the ability it gives me in managing information has just really transformed my life. Now, my educational background is actually not in computer programming or Microsoft Excel or anything like that. My background is actually in aerospace engineering. And I've found that throughout my career, Microsoft Excel has been used in almost every facet of every business I've ever worked for. It's used for financing, engineering, purchasing, sales, marketing, and so many others. And because of this commonality between all these disciplines, it makes transferring information and ideas so easy, which is why if you want to succeed in business today, the bare minimum is to be able to use this program. But what really differentiates the average from the truly excellent is not how many formulas and techniques you know. It's about having the ability to continuously learn new things, and not just that, to apply them. Now, you know the old saying, if you know something, and you don't use it and you don't do it, well, you're better off not knowing it in the first place. So whenever you see someone truly excellent at this program, remember they started where you're starting now. I've taught many people how to use Excel, and with encouragement, with patience in themselves, and right support, they've gone on to become experts and really, really great users, and now they pass on that knowledge to other people. And I hope you guys can do the same and spread the love. So what is Microsoft Excel and what is it used for? Well, I'd probably answer that with another question, which is what isn't Microsoft Excel and what isn't it used for? The way I like to explain it to people is to imagine a piece of paper and you're writing down a calculation or you're drawing a table or creating graphs and so on. But then imagine you made a mistake. You'd have to recalculate the entire thing. Or imagine you wanted to add more information to your table. You need to make room, right? But a piece of paper only has so much space. Or imagine you wanted to create huge tables and calculations. You need to write the whole table out. You need to do all the formatting. You need to check that you wrote it down, that you calculated it properly on your calculator. But if something changes, you have to redo the whole thing. It doesn't recalculate by itself. And all these things take time. Well, Microsoft Excel is the answer to all these problems. So imagine Microsoft Excel as a magic scroll, where anything you write will automatically be calculated for you. And if you make a mistake, you can just click your fingers and the paper will correct it for you. You don't have to get a new scroll. Then when you want to send this scroll to the other side of the world, on the other side of the planet, you can do that too. And did I mention that this magic scroll can be as big or as small or as long or as wide as you want it to be? It can be any color and any shape you want. That's what Microsoft Excel is to me. A magic scroll which makes life so much easier. That's what Excel is. It's magic. All right? Well, that's our introduction. Hope you guys got a brief understanding of where we're going with this. All right, well, that's it from me. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon.